Hi guys, this is Devesh from beetlebyte.com and today we have the Oppo K3 with us. Without any further ado, let's crack the seal and unbox the new smartphone. Once we open up the box, we see a leaflet which has some paperwork like the safety guide and whatnot. Keeping that aside, there is the Oppo K3 sitting in all its glory. Let's keep it aside for now and see what else is in the box. There is a USB Type-C cable, which is quite surprising considering it is an Oppo smartphone. We also have a case lying inside the box, which has become quite common these days. Lastly, we have a huge power brick with Oppo's VOOC Flash Charge 3.0 technology. Now let's keep all this aside and take a look at the Oppo K3 itself. Removing the plastic reveals a really beautiful smartphone. We have the Aurora blue color variant with us, and I must say it looks gorgeous. I hope the phone has some charge. Yes, the device starts powering on. Until the phone turns on, let's take a look at the placements. The back of the phone sports a dual camera setup as well as the Oppo branding. On the right, there is the power button and the SIM tray. The bottom of the phone consists of a headphone jack, a USB Type-C port, a speaker grill, and a primary microphone. The left side only has the volume up and down buttons, and the top has the motorized pop-up selfie camera and the secondary microphone. Now let's just quickly skip the setup process to have a look at Oppo's new ColorOS 6 user interface. Oppo K3 runs on Google's Android 9 Pie operating system layered with ColorOS 6 on top. The user interface is running quite smoothly, at least for now. Now let's address the elephant in the room by pulling out the pop-up selfie camera. The motorized mechanism itself feels quite smooth, and it is also faster than some older smartphones that came with pop-up cameras. At a starting price of Rs 16,990, the Oppo K3 is an interesting smartphone. It brings features like a Snapdragon 710 processor, a pop-up selfie camera, and an in-display fingerprint scanner. It gives a tough competition to phones like the Realme X, the Redmi Note 7 Pro, and more. However, you will need to wait for a full review to hear our final verdict. Until then, if you like this video, please hit the like button below. Also, subscribe to our channel to never miss our videos. This is Devesh Arora signing off.